up? My name is Amir and welcome back to Street Production 303. And if you guys watched my previous video, I installed a brand new front grille on the C7 Corvette. Actually today, let me show you guys. So this is the front grille and it looks so much better. I love that Z06 grille. Anyway, in the last video I installed the front grille. That took about 2 hours or so. It was not easy, especially with filming and everything, but I wasn't done with it yet. The thing that I need to do now is I want to ceramic coat the grille because the rest of the car was ceramic coated last winter. So adding new pieces to the car, I have to ceramic coat those. I want to make sure the whole car is protected. And on top of all of that, I want to also do some pinstriping right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna do pinstriping the same way that I did the rest of the car. The pinstripes that go alongside of it, it will match the wheels. I think it'll just make the vents and the front grille pop a bit more. So that's the plan for today's video. I'm gonna put on the pinstripes first. If I don't like it, I'll take them off and you guys will be able to see what I kind of go through when I pinstripe my car. And I do have matching pinstripes here that was supplied by my really good friend Brody at DeCo Tint America, and links are gonna be in the description. The dude is amazing, his shop is amazing. These guys do such good work. Probably the best local wrap tint shop here in Colorado. If you guys need to wrap your car, hit him up and the guy will be awesome. He'll take care of your car, he'll baby it. It'll be in good hands, and I can tell you that. Like I said in my last video, I'm gonna try to shoot more videos like this where you guys get to see me working on my own car. The little things that you do to your car make the biggest difference. That adds that personality, your own taste and your own style to the car. So let's get some stuff ready and let's see how these pinstripes come out. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna really do this yet, just because of the way that the edges and the way that it curves. I got my blow dryer here too, because I got that curve, so I might have to heat it up a little bit to stretch it. And I'm gonna use some of this alcohol I got to clean up everything before I stick it on, so it's nice and clean and it's a clean surface, so it really sticks well. I might have to even redo it a couple times. This is my first time doing it on a curved piece. This is not a how-to video, but this is, you know, a good video you guys can use as a reference if you're working on your own car. There we go. Make sure your hands are clean. Sometimes I take a little bit of alcohol, put it on a rag, just to get all the oils off of my skin. You don't want to be dealing with that stuff. Just keep your fingertips and all the, you know, grease and oil off your fingers. And I think I'm gonna start maybe here and go around, or maybe in the middle and then spread across. I'm not sure yet. Let's see what happens. This is actually really hard to get it to curve. Maybe I should have started at the other end. If you guys think wrapping cars is easy, try again. I should have gone all the way down. I'm gonna have to redo it. And attempt number one didn't go the way I thought. I cut it a little above and you can just, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look OEM. I just don't want it to look like somebody slapped a sticker on there. I want it to look almost like it's painted. So it looks pretty good already. I've got a few bubbles on there if you guys can see it. Those actually can go all the way and they can stretch with heat. So I'm gonna try to get rid of that and then tuck that little section right here. I love the way it came out. You guys can see, I'll do a close-up of it. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. It looks amazing. Hey, baby boy.
Okay, yellow car.
You wanna get in the car?
Yeah.
Do you want to drive?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get you in there. Go in. All right, go in there. All right. See ya. He's got his driver's license, by the way. See ya. What do you think of this? Does that not look good? I love it. In person, I mean, it looks much, much better. Like I said, I'll take out the car in the sun in a little bit, and maybe I'll take you guys for a cruise. I'm not sure yet. Are you loving it? What do you think, babe?
Not bad.
I don't usually put her in my video. She's running away. So it's not bad?
Oh wait. No, it's fine.
No, it does look good. I think without it, it's cool too. But it just makes it like pop even more. I don't know. And the lighting keeps adjusting. The camera's acting up. Look, that looks so sick. I should open up my own wrap shop. Hey Brody, you got competition coming. I'm gonna start my own Street Production 303 custom wrap. Whatever, I'll name it something. All right, it's time for side number 2. Looks really, really good. This corner right here was a bitch. I gotta heat up everything right now and make sure it sticks and shape it. All right, that is it. Check it out. Oh my God, that looks so sick. So now I gotta ceramic coat everything. I gotta clean the grill with alcohol, get it all ready. All right, I'm gonna apply a second coat of it, and that is pretty much it. Everything is done, everything is ready, and I'm not gonna wash the car for about 3 to 5 days. It's recommended, so I'm gonna lay off washing it. I want the ceramic coat to really cure on there, but I was thinking, why not take the Corvette out for a little joyride and show you guys what the front grille really looks like when it's out and about. And you guys can actually see the front grille much better than in the lighting that I have right here. Oh my God, that looks so much better already. That looks so damn good. It just makes it pop like crazy. Found this little road up here by my house, and I feel like this is like the perfect spot. Oh my God, it looks so, I love the front end of it. Looks more aggressive. This is what I kind of envisioned. Guys, there are more videos coming. I got other mods on the way, and this is gonna be like a mini little series of videos of me working on the car and changing the look of the car. Just those little subtle things, and some of the videos are gonna be more intricate than just doing the grill. So stay tuned for more videos. If you did enjoy today's video, you know, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.